Hello friends, today's topic is world geography. To understand this world geography, we have divided this whole world into 7 parts like this: North America, Central America and the Caribbean islands, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia and the Pacific island. Now the question arises that why we have divided this whole world like this, because in this subject we have to follow ITA geography, and we are able to understand that ITA geography only when we'll study world geography like this. Now very first, this is the map of North America. In this map 11 countries are there: Greenland, Saint Pierre and Miquelon, Canada, USA, Alaska, Hawaiian Island, Puerto Rico, Virgin Island, Mexico, Bermuda, Bahamas. Next is Central America and the Caribbean islands. In this map we have 27 countries: Guatemala, Belize, El Salvador, Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Turks and Caicos Island, Cuba, Cayman Island, Jamaica, Haiti, Dominican Republic, British Virgin Island, Anguilla, Saint Kitts and Nevis, Antigua and Barbuda, Guadeloupe, Dominica, Martinique, Saint Lucia, Saint Vincent and the Grenadines, Grenada, Trinidad and Tobago, Netherlands Antilles, Aruba. Now this is the map of South America. In South America 14 countries are there: Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, French Guiana, Brazil, Paraguay, Uruguay, Argentina, Chile, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Panama. Now this is the map of Europe. In this map 48 countries are there: Iceland, Faroe Island, Denmark, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Russia, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Belarus, Ukraine, Poland, Germany, Denmark, Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg, United Kingdom, Ireland, France, Monaco, Andorra, Portugal, Gibraltar, Spain, Malta, Italy, San Marino, Switzerland, Liechtenstein, Slovenia, Austria, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Hungary, Croatia, Bosnia, Serbia and Montenegro, Romania, Moldova, Bulgaria, Macedonia, Albania, Greece, Georgia, Azerbaijan, Armenia, Cyprus. Next, this is the map of Africa. In this map, 55 countries are there. Very first, Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, Egypt, Sudan, Chad, Niger, Mali, Mauritania, Cape Verde, Senegal, Gambia, Guinea-Bissau, Guinea, Sierra Leone, Liberia, Cote d'Ivoire, Burkina Faso, Ghana, Togo, Benin, Nigeria, Cameroon, Equatorial Guinea, Sao Tome and Principe, Gabon, Congo, Central African Republic, Democratic Republic of Congo, Uganda, Ethiopia, Eritrea, Djibouti, Somalia, Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda, Burundi, Zambia, Angola, Namibia, Botswana, Zimbabwe, Malawi, Mozambique, Swaziland, Lesotho, South Africa, Madagascar, Comoros Island, Seychelles, Mauritius, Reunion France, Mayotte. Now this is the map of Asia. In this map, 49 countries are there. Russia, east part, Mongolia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Turkey, Syria, Lebanon, Israel, Jordan, Saudi Arabia, Yemen, Oman, UAE, Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait, Iraq, Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, China, Hong Kong, Macau, Democratic People's Republic of Korea, that is North Korea, Republic of Korea, South Korea, Japan, Taiwan, Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia, Thailand, Myanmar, Malaysia, Singapore, Brunei Darussalam, Philippines, Indonesia, Christmas Island, Cocos Island, Timor-Leste. This is the map of Australia and the Pacific Island. In this map, 22 countries are there. Northern Mariana Island, Marshall Island, Micronesia, Palau, Guam, Papua New Guinea, Nauru, Solomon Island, Vanuatu, New Caledonia, Australia, New Zealand, Fiji, Tonga, Niue, Cook Island, American Samoa, Wallis and Futuna Island, Kiribati, and French Polynesia, France.